Ben is worried because teacher David has asked to meet him in his office. Ben enters the room and finds David sitting at his desk. Hi, Teacher David. You wanted to see me? Yes, Ben. Please have a seat. Don't worry, Ben. You're not in trouble. Oh, thank goodness. That's a relief. Phew! I was so nervous. I thought I did something wrong. No, not at all. I just wanted to talk to you about your English learning. I've noticed you have some difficulties in answering questions quickly. Yes, that's true. I find it challenging to respond immediately. I understand. Can you tell me more about the reasons behind your slow response? Teacher David, well, I think people believe it's because I lack vocabulary. However, that's not entirely the problem, teacher. I see. A lot of people thought so too, but it is not right. Vocabulary is never an obstacle. I totally agree, teacher. So, what is causing the delay in your responses, Ben? Let me think a bit. It's because teacher, I find it very difficult to explain to you, Teacher David. Don't worry, Ben. Take your time. Teacher, it's more about how my brain thinks of a piece of information. It takes time to search through my memory. For example, when Teacher Elisa asked me about my summer holiday, I could not remember a thing. My classmates laughed at me, so it was so shameful. Ah, I get what you meant now. Retrieving information can be a process that slows down our response time. Exactly. Another reason is that I don't use English often, so it's not readily accessible in my memory. I think I lack the reflex to use English immediately. I understand. That is a common situation for any language learner. When we don't practice a language frequently, recalling and using it effectively can take longer. Yes, that's it. Because I haven't used English regularly, so it's harder to access the information quickly. Thank you for explaining, Ben. Now that we understand the challenges, let's work on improving your response time and fluency. We'll practice using English in different situations. That sounds great! I really want to become more confident in speaking. Wonderful. We'll focus on exercises that encourage quick thinking and spontaneous responses. With practice, you'll see progress. I appreciate your guidance and support, Teacher David. Thank you for hearing me out. You're welcome, Ben. Learning a language takes time and practice, and I'm here to assist you every step of the way. I'm grateful for that, Teacher David. Let's start working on improving my rapid response in English. Great, Ben. I'm glad you're motivated to improve. I think I have some tips that can help you with your rapid response in English. Amazing! Tell me now, teacher. One method is the Catch the Words game. It focuses on learning vocabulary based on everyday objects and events. You will try to read the names of things and events quickly. Gradually, you can increase your speed over time. I still don't get it, teacher. Very simple, Ben. Tell me what this is. A pen, teacher. That's right. And what is this? A notebook. You're holding a notebook. You made it. That is how you play Catch the Words game. Oh, I see it now. I just need to name things around me in English. Correct. Catching the words. The game sounds interesting. I'll definitely give it a try with my friends.
What else can I do, teacher?
Another effective way to improve is by exposing yourself to English through films, videos, and podcasts. They provide great opportunities to practice listening and understanding different accents and speaking styles.
But what if I can't understand them?
No worries, Ben. Tons of videos suit your English level.
That makes sense, teacher. I'll start watching more English movies and listening to podcasts. Do you have any specific recommendations?
Absolutely. I recommend watching the video, How to Think and Speak.
Wow, what is it about, teacher?
The video offers additional guidance on improving your thinking and speaking skills in English. You'll find valuable insights and techniques that can help you.
That sounds like a helpful resource. I'll make sure to check it out. Any other suggestions?
Yes, finding a practice partner can be beneficial. Look for someone who is also learning English or a native English speaker. Having a companion will allow you to engage in conversations and practice rapid responses, which will improve your fluency.
That sounds like a great idea. I'll try to find someone to practice with. Any other tips, Teacher David?
It's important to surround yourself with English speakers as much as possible. Try to immerse yourself in an English-speaking environment. You can join language exchange groups. You can attend English-speaking events or even engage with English speakers online. The more you expose yourself to the language, the better your responses will become.
I'll definitely give that a shot. And what about practice? Any specific advice on that?
Repetition is key, Ben. Practice regularly and consistently. The more you practice, the more natural and automatic your responses will become. Set aside dedicated time each day to work on your English skills.
Got it, Teacher David. I'll make sure to practice every day and implement these tips. Thank you so much for your guidance and support.
You're welcome, Ben. Remember, learning a language takes time and effort. But with consistent practice and the right strategies, you'll see improvement.
I see, teacher.
I'm here to help you along the way, so don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help. I'm feeling more confident now.
Absolutely, Ben. I'm confident that with your determination and these strategies, you'll make significant progress.
Thank you for your kind words, teacher.
You are so welcome, Ben.